thermometer. So laboratory thermometer are just like the clinical thermometer, but the only difference is that the laboratory thermometer is long and narrow and there is no kink as it is found in clinical thermometer. So laboratory thermometer and the clinical thermometer are of two types of mercury thermometer. So come to the topic laboratory thermometer. The thermometer used in laboratory is known as the laboratory thermometer. Just like clinical thermometer, it is consist of a fine, narrow glass tube. So there is a small, thin glass tube at the lower thermometer, which is filled with mercury. The upper end of the glass tube is scaled after evacuating all the air. So the thin glass tube in the laboratory thermometer is divided into degrees Celsius, and the graduation on it are marked from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. So come see here, see the picture of the laboratory thermometer. So this is very different from the clinical thermometer because it is long and narrow and it does not have kink, and the range is from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. So we will discuss the structure of the laboratory thermometer. So this is the bulb, small bulb. This is the bulb. And from here to here, we have the capillary tube. So this is called as the capillary tube. Now in this, the degree start from -10 degree Celsius and last up to 110 degree Celsius. So -10 degree and 110 degrees. So each division, in between the division, that means there are the small 10 divisions. So between each division, there are the 10 small divisions between each 10 degrees. So starting from -10, then it will lead to 0, then 10, 20, 30, 40, just like that. So this is about the laboratory thermometer. Now in laboratory thermometer, lower fixed point is -10 degrees Celsius. So lower fixed point is -10 degrees Celsius, which means the lowest temperature. And the upper fixed point is 110 degrees Celsius. So upper fixed point, that means the highest temperature, that is the -10 degrees Celsius. There are 10 small divisions between every 10 degrees Celsius. Therefore, one small division measures 1 degree Celsius. So there are how many divisions? Divisions between every 10 degrees Celsius, and one small division measures 1 degree Celsius. Now come to activity. Here the activity is given to understand the use of laboratory thermometer. How we use the laboratory thermometer. So we will take two beakers. In first beaker we will put some hot water, and in the second beaker we will put the normal water and the laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer is long and narrow, and pour some hot water in A beaker. This one is A, which contains the hot water, and this one is B, which contains the normal water. So we will put the hot water and the normal water in both beaker. Now immerse the laboratory thermometer, and remember, we will just immerse the bulb, not the whole thermometer and touches the bottom of the beaker. Otherwise the thermometer will break. So only hold the laboratory thermometer and immerse the bulb of the thermometer. As soon as the mercury present in the bulb expand and it rises up. So in the hot water, the mercury will rise up, and it might give the reading up to 80 degrees. So level will rise up and it will give up to 80 degrees Celsius. So this is the hot water, and this one is the tap water. And always remember, keep the thermometer the vertical. And in the second case, if we are reading the normal water, the tap water, the laboratory thermometer will go just up to 30 degree Celsius, between 30 to 40 degrees Celsius. So this is the normal temperature will be just I think below to a 30 degree or just above the 30 degree. So in the laboratory thermometer, we the when thermometer is inside the solution or in the liquid, and as soon as we remove the laboratory thermometer, the reading will go out. The mercury will fall down because there is no king. So since no king is present in the laboratory thermometer, so we take the reading when we are immersing the thermometer in the solution liquid, that is the hot water and the cold water. So we will compare the two reading, and what we predict? We predict that the mercury level rises or go below according to the temperature of the water. So mercury rise or go below, level go down due to the temperature of the body and temperature of the water. And the laboratory thermometer reads we can take the reading only when the thermometer is kept inside the beaker. So that is about the laboratory thermometer. A difference between the clinical and laboratory thermometer. Since these two types of the thermometer are, there is the one similarity, both are mercury based thermometer, but the differences are four. Number one, the scale ranges from 35 degree to 42 degree Celsius or 94 degree to 108 degree Fahrenheit. That is about the clinical thermometer. But what about the laboratory thermometer? The scale ranges from -10 to 110 degrees Celsius. Number two, there is a king in clinical thermometer. So there is a king which stops the mercury level to fall on its own. So there is a king which stops the mercury level on its own. But in the laboratory thermometer, there is no king. King is not. That's why we take the reading in the laboratory thermometer when we put the laboratory thermometer in water or in solution. As in the case of laboratory clinical thermometer, we can take the reading while when we remove the thermometer from the patient mouth. Now next, reading can be observed after removing it. Why? Due to the presence of king. Here, in laboratory thermometer, the reading can be while the thermometer is immersed in the liquid. So reading can be done after removing from the mouth. And clinical thermometer is used to measure the human body temperature, whereas the laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the laboratory, that is the laboratory measurement. Clinical thermometer has king, that's why it is used to measure the human body temperature. And human body temperature does not exceed from 35 to 42 or from 94 to 108 degree Fahrenheit. So that are the differences between the clinical and the laboratory thermometer. Come to the check. So you will write this, fill in the blanks in your book. So number one, temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of body. So you write here the temperature. So temperature will be the answer. Next, the normal body temperature of a human being is 37 degrees Celsius. Digital thermometer have thermistor, THERMISTOR. In which thermometer the mercury falls down? Laboratory thermometer. And the scale on laboratory thermometer ranges from -10 degrees 110 Celsius. And 0 degree is called the freezing, FREEZING, freezing point of water. And last, clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature. So you will write clinical thermometer. So checkpoint will be provided, so you will write in your book. And that's all for today. You learn, read and learn, listen the video and write the checkpoint. That's all.